All right, everyone, it's finally happening. With the official launch just around the corner, we now have our first proper look at the highly anticipated Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. And yes, it's already creating quite a buzz online. A couple of fresh leaks have surfaced in that revealing the foldable device in two striking color options we've already seen on the regular Pixel 10 Pro, Jade and Moonstone. If you've been following the Pixel lineup, you'll know these shades are part of Google's signature 4-color palette this year. It's great to see at least two of them making their way to the foldable variant as well. The Jade model exudes a premium vibe with its gold accents, perfectly in line with Google's refined design language of late. Meanwhile, Moonstone offers a more understated elegance with its soft, minimalist gray finish, subtle yet sophisticated. That said, having only two color choices is still a bit underwhelming. Google did something similar last year with just obsidian and porcelain for the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, so we were definitely hoping for more variety this time. As for design, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold doesn't seem to be undergoing major visual changes, at least not from what we've seen so far. That said, there are a few subtle yet welcome enhancements this time around. First off, the outer display is getting a slight size increase, moving from 6.3 to 6.4 inches. This likely points to slimmer bezels and a more refined, modern profile. Additionally, reports suggest the hinge is getting smaller, which could contribute to a more compact form factor and potentially improve durability. On the performance side, we're anticipating a few internal upgrades as well. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is rumored to feature a larger 5050 mAh battery, along with support for wireless charging at up to 23 watts. While these aren't groundbreaking changes, they're definitely steps in the right direction. Overall, while this leak doesn't showcase any dramatic overhauls, it gives us a clearer picture of what's ahead. A larger battery, a sleeker exterior, and a pair of polished color options add up to a solid, if cautious, refresh. But what about you? Are you excited for the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, or does it feel more like an incremental update? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know what you think. Until next time, stay safe and keep smiling.